Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Now let's discuss a useful tool. The Dovaman MCS01A portable circular saw is a handy choice. It comes with 6 saw blades, 2 for wood, 2 for metal, soft plastics, and 2 for tile. Switching between materials is as simple as swapping the saw blades. This compact saw boasts a laser guide and an integrated edge guide for straight, precise cuts. Additional metal handles can be attached to either side, and the larger 3.5 by 9.5 inch base provides excellent stability. Adjusting the bevel angle is easy in just 2 simple steps. You can achieve a maximum cutting depth of 1 3/8 inch at a 45-degree bevel angle. For straight cuts, the adjustable depth lever lets you cut up to 1/11/16 inches. The dual-action power switch prevents accidental starts. Plus, it's compatible with a shop vacuum for dust collection. Dovaman MCS01A comes with everything you need. Building a deck, framing a wall, or tackling a fencing project? This pneumatic nailer is a real workhorse. The hardened steel drive blade means this tool is built to last, resisting damage even under heavy use. Plus, it's designed to prevent those frustrating empty fires, which also protects the internal parts. Switching between single sequential firing and bump firing is a breeze thanks to the dual-mode trigger. Need to adjust the nail depth? Just turn the depth adjustment wheel by hand, no tools required. This helps prevent damage to your work and ensures clean, professional results every time. This nailer is also designed with user comfort in mind. It reduces fatigue during long jobs and improves nail placement accuracy. A handy feature lets you direct the air exhaust away from your face. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient pneumatic nailer for a variety of projects, this is a solid choice. Looking for a hose that can handle anything? This metal garden hose is seriously tough. Its lightweight metal casing makes it easy to drag around your yard, no matter the terrain. Plus, it's super easy to store when you're done. This hose is built to last. Dogs can't chew through it, and it won't kink like those flimsy rubber hoses. The connectors on both ends make it easy to attach to other equipment or even connect 2 hoses together for extra length. Made with a durable 304 stainless steel shell, this hose maintains great water pressure. The outer layer is corrosion and rust resistant, so it can handle tough weather conditions without leaking or getting punctured. And it's versatile too. You can choose from various spray patterns, from a gentle shower for delicate plants to a powerful jet for cleaning. The rubberized handle provides a comfortable, non-slip grip for easy maneuvering. If you need a reliable, long-lasting hose, this one's worth checking out. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Need light in a dark closet, hallway, or shed? The Amir upgraded motion sensor light is a fantastic solution. Powered by 3 AAA batteries, it's completely wireless and super easy to install, no electrician needed. This isn't your average motion sensor light. Amir has made it 15% larger and boosted the brightness by a whopping 30%, so you get seriously good illumination. No more fumbling around in the dark. It automatically turns on when it detects motion within 10 feet and shuts off after 15 seconds of inactivity to save battery life. Plus, it's smart enough to only activate when it's dark, so it won't waste energy during the day. Besides, installation is a breeze thanks to the included double-sided adhesive pads and a built-in magnet. Stick it to any surface, walls, metal, you name it. If you need a quick, easy, and bright lighting solution for those hard-to-reach places, the Amir motion sensor light is a great pick for you. The truly versatile tool you're looking for is the Gerber Gear Suspension Multi-Pocket Knife. This multi-tool packs a surprising punch into a compact design. It boasts a range of essential tools, including needle nose pliers, a wire stripper, 3 flathead screwdrivers, 2 Phillips head screwdrivers, an awl, a nail file, scissors, a can opener, a bottle opener, and a 2.25-inch partially serrated blade. Plus, it has a tool lock for safety. Built to last from high-quality stainless steel, this EDC multi-tool is ready for anything. The tool lock, lanyard point, and pocket clip add to its convenience. It's designed for easy carry, fitting comfortably in your pocket or attaching securely with the clip. The butterfly opening and locking mechanism keeps everything safely tucked away when not in use, making it ideal for camping and survival kits. Measuring 4.25-inch closed and 6.25-inch open and weighing just 6.7 ounces, it's lightweight and portable. Whether you're a hunter, tradesperson, or just someone who likes to be prepared, this tool is a great addition to your gear. Serious about woodworking? This 15-piece router bit set is built to last. With alloy blades, balanced design, and a hardened steel body, these bits can handle tough projects and frequent use. Plus, the smart anti-kickback design adds an extra layer of safety. The 1/4-inch shanks mean less vibration and more stability while you work. This set is super versatile, cutting clean grooves and tongues in various materials like wood, MDF, particle board, and plywood. Perfect for any project, big or small. The set comes in a sturdy wooden case, which is great for keeping the bits organized and protected between jobs. It also makes them easy to transport if you're working on site. With 15 different bits, you'll be ready for a wide range of tasks. And if you have any questions, the company offers excellent customer support. Click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Looking for a versatile router that can handle just about any woodworking project? This kit is a true workhorse, perfect for everything from precise bit plunging and edge forming to slot cutting, laminate trimming, and even dovetail joints. Built with durable aluminum and featuring comfortable wooden handles on the fixed base, plus a soft grip on the plunge base, this router is designed for both durability and control. The rounded hardwood handles feel great in your hand, and the microfine bit depth adjustment lets you dial in precise cuts. Thanks to the built-in constant response circuitry, this router maintains a consistent speed throughout each cut, resulting in cleaner, more accurate results every time. The powerful 12-amp motor and adjustable speed dial give you the flexibility to tackle various wood types and projects with ease. The kit includes both a plunge base and a fixed base, along with 1/4-inch and 1/2-inch collet chucks, wrenches, chip shields, and a handy carrying case, everything you need to get started right away. Need blades that can handle tough jobs? These oscillating tool blades are built to last, boasting double the lifespan of standard bimetal blades. They slice through everything from aluminum, reinforced parquet and nails to copper pipe, laminate, wood, plastic, and drywall with impressive speed. Perfect for window installations, decking, flooring, trimming, and adjustments. What sets these blades apart is their compatibility. 2 extra adapters mean they fit a wider range of oscillating tools than most competitors, working with nearly all major brands. Plus, the customer service is top-notch. If you have any issues with the blades, just shoot them an email and they promise a response within 24 hours to help resolve the problem. For durability, versatility, and support, these blades are a solid choice. Looking for a handy little power screwdriver for those everyday tasks and DIY projects? The Skill 4V Pivot Grip Cordless Screwdriver is definitely worth checking out. What's really cool is its pivoting handle. You can easily switch between a straight and pistol grip, depending on what you're working on. It's like having 2 tools in one. No more scrambling for batteries either. This screwdriver has a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery that holds its charge for a good amount of time. And when you do need to power it up, it uses a standard micro USB cable, so you can charge it just about anywhere. Plus, it has an LED light, which is a lifesaver when you're working in those dimly lit corners or under cabinets. It comes with 9 bits and a bit holder, so you've got a decent selection to get started. If you need a compact, versatile, and easy-to-use screwdriver for small jobs around the house, the Skill Pivot Grip is a great option. The Hupar BU3CG Pro is a strong contender in all types of multi-purpose laser levelers. It projects one 360 degrees horizontal and two 360 degrees vertical lines, offering 5 different laser combinations to cover any room. Accuracy is spot on, and the enhanced switchable beam is bright enough for well-lit spaces. Powering this beast is a long-lasting battery that provides up to 8 hours of runtime. The Type-C charging port offers flexible charging options. Use the battery, another power source, or plug it directly into the wall. Easy to balance, simply unlock the switch, and it auto-levels within 4 degrees. Beyond that, it'll alert you with blinking lasers. Manual mode is also available for angled work. You can toggle between 2 brightness levels and a pulse mode, which extends the range to 200 feet when used with a HUPAR receiver. Perfect for larger jobs or outdoor use. Durability is key. The BO3CG Pro is encased in TPR rubber for a solid grip and drop protection up to 51 inches. It's also IP54 rated for water and dust resistance, so it can handle tough job site conditions.